There we go. Little fish on. Oh, a little bitty bass. Out here at a lake, using this swim bait. Forgot what it was called. It's a pretty popular one. Caught this little bitty bass. See if we can get some bigger ones. I'm also fishing on an ultralight setup. 5-6 ugly stick on a little micro fluger reel. I know this lake has lots of little bass in it, so I thought I might as well use a smaller setup to make it a little bit more fun. Oh no. He had me stuck in the grass a little bit there. I had to pull him out. It's a good thing I got braid on. A little bit bigger than the last one. I'm gonna have to throw him out there. Another one on the swim bait. They're liking it. Oh! Oh, the top water bite is on. No! Missed two now, man. It's gonna be hard for them to get it in their mouth. And for me to set this hook with a tiny 5-6 pole. This is a challenge, I'll tell you that. Yes. I did it. I got one on the frog. Oh, come on. On the frog. On the frog in April. That is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm doing. Look at this little guy. He got that in there. Little dude. Thank you. My first topwater fish of the year.